Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking about appending in Python. What is actually append in Python programming language? And append is mainly used for list. And last topic we talked about list slicing. Also talked about list indexing. This video I'm talking about list appending. What is actually appending? Now normal understand when the append is to add something. So there's not really much thing to talk about append, just to add something to something that doesn't exist. For example, let's say in our shopping bag, on our way out, we find out that we need to add sweet, or we need to add something like anything, maybe phone. We have so much money, we need to add phone. So yeah, we have so much money to buy phone too. We need to add phone. So rather than come here to add it, we can automatically append it. Let me close all this. We can automatically append it. How do we do that? Just by using append phone. Let's say shopping bag dot append. What do we want to append on it? Phone. That is just it. When you print our shopping bag, you can see we get phone at the end here. Yet initially this is what we have, but at the end when we appended phone became meant to be at the end of the shopping bag. Might be like, okay, I want this phone to be in front here. For example, I want it to be here before toothpaste. I want it to be after toothpaste. I want it to be before watch or after watch. I just want it to be in particular place. I want it. That will make use of insert, which we'll be talking about in our next video. But let me make a recap of what append is. Append is just to add something, and when you append something to a Python list, it gets appended to the last. You get appended to the last. It doesn't append to any particular position of your choice. Get appended to the last. To append it to any particular position of your choice, that's will make use of insert, which will be in our next video. So I think with this I'll be able to emphasize a little bit more on what append is Python. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe and also like. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.